kang doha jini rajini Nowres kau jai pheba manganang gidima Noboda Johari, renowned businessman, philanthropist, entrepreneur, or the founder of Shivara Industry. Buni women salibala kanang puri ansoro ke jing lam domane buniona bisang mislaimane thamale domane bisni aspek bin kushiha nangbaha jor lepane pata jai bubi jai ode nugu jai
ani masters kayo pharmaceutical department
Thai Kebo, Ani Bumo Reshma Kembrai, Ang Laila Purni, Ode Ang Nuative Department of Economics of Prishaidu, Ode He Ang Ani Graduation Shillong, St. Anthony's College Nifrang, Jamriba. Thank you.
Thai Kebo, Ani Bumo Science na Burman, Ang Patapul Missing, Ang Dua MA Khaidu Assam University ha, the Department Political Science, Ang Ani Degree Hospital Nazir Ajmal Memorial College ha. Thank you.
Afternoon everyone. Ani Bumo Bosmaiti Ponglo. Ang masters English department na kaido ore ani bachelors GC college ma kaiba ore ang la achar ang achurani July trip ke ani bumo Suprabha Burman ore English department BCom masters kaido. Thank you. Ani bumo Sangeeta Hojai ore ang mai bang ang ani bachelor degree Guwahati Arya Vidyapit bang kaiba ore doare sociology department ha Krishna
Thai Kebo ang Dibras Burman ang buah masters ani history department dan from Silchar and ang ani BA DC College Station Puriba. Thank you.
Sekali kalian jenis kalian puri answer ke zanis cita hamani kalian request lele.
And good afternoon to everyone. Dinini ibu mel ni formal session lodging dohanung damri laita. Obani stang thoga ang dini naurai stau naurai phairai ode he special guest ang special invitees ke ibu dini mel ke mazang hi flyvani klai ode dini kada Korean sarau ode dini members round ni chadau phalangmani klai ili grau festival klai jin hamjoma khasoma rilad ju thai. Thank you.